right, time for our next clue. Okay, here we go. In summer, trees have many to see, and plants absorb sunlight through me.
Okay, this is a tricky one.
I know, right?
Yes, trees have a lot of branches.
Yeah, but do branches absorb sunlight?
I guess not. But branches have something on them.
Oh, I know, it must be leaves.
Let's check.
And we were right.
Yay! Good job!